Do you ever feel like your van is a sauna on wheels? Or sometimes going to sleep, wondering if someone's watching through the front window? We can change that. This discomfort is a common complaint among van owners, leading to a sweaty, uncomfortable sleep. So these cool, living in a bubble window covers come in these great little packages. Super handy, light, comes with a cute little message. So what I love mostly about these is how easy they are to install. Let's check it out. Introducing the new Living in a Bubble window covers, the ultimate solution to keeping your van cool, protected from the sun's harsh rays, and your privacy intact. What I love about these particular window covers is you've got the black on the outside, so from a distance looking in, it's blacked right out. It's brilliant, love it. The material not only blocks out the sun and its heat, but also shields the interior of your van from prying eyes. And the best part is when your kids annoy you, you can just do this. So don't let the sun dictate your comfort or compromise your privacy. Grab this new product and you will not regret. The privacy is amazing. It keeps out the heat. It's super easy to install. Now the young fella, he's comfortable and he can have an afternoon sleep, and I can kick back, sit back and enjoy this beautiful view